Alright, what do you wish for, man? You better make it worth my time. I wish! Apple! Alright, you have 2 more wishes. What else do you wish for? Apple and then what? Date and what? What was that last one? Wife! I want a wife! I will be your wife.
You're so mean to me sometimes.
I'm not mean to you, you're just dumb.
He's kind of mean to me sometimes. And he says, dumb idiot. And I look at myself in the mirror and I say, dumb idiot. You're why I'm insecure.
Uh-huh, what'd you say?
Well, making waffles and save room, there's plenty of them. I made extra. Consider the waffle as a delicious extra.
For our friends in foreign lands.
Oh, look at this little bee. He's so cute. See, there's nothing to be scared of.
Today, I wanted to eat a watermelon. So I bought a watermelon. And then I sliced the watermelon. And then I ate the watermelon.
You don't want to be like this. This is disgusting. This is awful in every way. If I could kill it, I would. But I legally can't. But I've considered it.
Who'll light that fire? I'll kill you!
Burn my house to the ground! My family's dead! What do I do? Killed my father!
No, I am your father.
What?
Wait, no, I'm pregnant and you're the father.
What?
I mean, you're pregnant and I'm the baby.
What?
Oh, you're not coming today?
Nah, bro. I don't really feel like it. I'm staying home.
Damn, today wasn't the day?
Yup. I'm saying I'll come tomorrow, but I'm not coming today.
Yeah, I feel you. But Maya came today. Where's she at? Where you just came from? Don't worry about it. Where's she at?
Green or purple?
Who started racism? Yo, facts, I always want to know who started racism, man.
This orange is Gigantosaurus, whatever you say, Gigantosaurus, Gigantosaurus, it's a metamorphic, Gigantosaurus, Jamornis.
Silicone parts are made for toys. I want them real, thick and juicy. So find that juicy double. Mix a lot in trouble. Make it walk into that.
Oh my god, corny, rainbow, tomato.
I eat little baby's ice cream.
Scourge, are you high?
Am I what?
High.
Hi.
Put your hands in the air and move with the sound to the earthquake.
What?
Something terrible's happened to me.
Oh my god.
Everything I say sounds like Mr. Rage.
Are you okay?
And what can I do? Wait, what's happening to my voice? Is this contagious? Oh no! Oh no!
Alright, man.
Alright, well, let's go left.
Oh. Well, he went this way, and then he went that way, and then he went this way, and then I go this way, and then I go that way. Oh God! Oh my God!
What just happened? Did you just truck the glass?
I'm dead.
Okay, I'm getting to the. Okay, we going to the gas station. Watch your back, you black roach. Oh my God!
So what happened in there?
Oh, you wanna know what happened in there, lady? We were in the break room and we hugging now. She was throwing and she had me going like espresso hot. I take the boss's card and then we charge that shit up a lot. We don't do this shit often, we just do this shit often. She wants me, I want her. We went back and we died together. And we died together and we smooched together and you're mad. What's up?
Yeah, I don't think any of that actually happened.
You're right.
Also,
You! Come here, pervert! You think it's funny to lie about smooching girls? Yeah, I heard you out there! Father!
Cause I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt? Tomorrow I may buy myself a dining room set or this Boba Fett. Credit card debt.